potential is deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who were you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got
My name is Cube. What's going on YouTube?
Let the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy. And silently it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck.
Got your Twitter.
Under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
Good morning, Joe.
Nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I playing got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, been bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart, but picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Money. So right now, I do not like how the 4 hour is reacting to 3849.4. That is why I'm waiting to see how we are going to react to those 30-minute supply. Morning, Misty. Um, Meantime, I will be right back. Please take over for me. Minute.
Yep. All right. How did everybody's trading day go? That's what I like to hear. It's fucking been a great day. The trades have been easy as well. I'm gonna assume that since Joe's the only one who said absolutely fantastic, I'm gonna assume everyone else has had an absolutely terrible trading day.
Oh, how's it going, guys?
Oh, Pi, welcome. How's your day been for
What's
trading?
really good. Yeah, so, well, 60 pips on a buy earlier this morning. This one here.
Ah, beautiful, beautiful.
Waited for the retest of this guy, pulled back,
Yep,
really aggressive selling, and then back up.
beautiful. Love to see it. Love to see it. I was hoping Edwin was here. My first thing was gonna be like, "How'd your day go, Edwin?" But he's not even here, which has me
I
worried.
clapped. No, I don't know.
Uh, oh, Edwin. Edwin's here. Edwin, can you hear me?
Talk to us, Edwin.
Yeah, well,
How's
yeah.
your day been?
Today I didn't get nothing. Like she didn't get down to the demand that I want before the buys. And I took a clap during Friday. Fucking god.
Oh,
Yeah, and then after the clap, straight 1 to 2. Jeez.
wow. Man,
But it is what it
honestly,
is.
today everyone should have won. Today was like very easy to trade. It was like just every single buy
Yeah.
setup you take.
The problem is I was waiting like
On
down
where?
there for the buy. I wanna see
Oh,
the break and retest and then
Uh,
buy.
I am
mhm.
considering it.
Yeah. Didn't get there.
Oh, damn. Man, today's been absolutely fire. I took a sell off of Tokyo Open, massive win, but I closed out early because I thought it was going to be buy, and then it went down. I bought that thing back up, held it, and then, man, all-time high, and good times are rolling. Good times are rolling. I think I got like 220, 200,
Oh,
yeah, like
nice, nice.
220 pips on the buy. And then London session buy again as well. But my
Yeah,
runner got stopped out.
I just didn't trust this demand here. Like I trust this one more.
Ah,
Like I thought she gonna do this. Like this one, rejecting here, go down, and then I'll take the buys.
oh, okay. I see. I see.
Yeah.
I
Better
took the buy
the
on
demand on this.
this guy. TP'd a bit here, and then it came down, took my runner out, and then Pi said thanks. Pi took the buy here.
Yeah, nice, nice.
Yeah, it's like a solid support. Look, it's reacting again from it.
Yep.
Wow.
I think this is
Yeah.
gonna be a trendy day. Just buy the pullbacks.
Yep.
Unless we get like a mega A plus, 100% guaranteed. I'm gonna sit on my hands today.
Yep. I'm already like what?
I tells everyone is waiting for, expecting it this time to, and we keep going back up. Acting to this 30-minute supply here. The only issue here with taking a sell here now is the fact that we've not taken out any lows. Now, for that reason, if we keep rejecting this 30-minute supply right here, I'm gonna need to see another aggressive selling, at least 2 bearish candle, at least. Wait for this. If we now reject the new supply that was formed, then we are going to take this sell, expecting the move to continue to the downside, because we rejected right at its lows. There's a 15-minute demand right here. So that's what we are going to wait for. And if we do break the highs and close perfectly, then I will be comfortable enough to look to take buys. But as of right now, I'm not. Even though this thing is foolish as hell. My language.
Hmm.
So bullish. So bullish. Fucking crazy.
Yeah, a little bit bullish today, I think. Low of Tokyo is about high of New York, about 630 pips. Slightly
Right.
bullish.
Slightly bullish. Just.
Pigeon lows all the way down here.
Yeah.
Think London low. Right here.
I will say once NYSC opens up, I do believe it will pull back, but I don't know how far. It's like, will it really pull back deep, or will it just pull back a touch,
I'm
or will
expecting,
it, you know?
yeah, if it does pull back, I'm expecting this 30-minute demand at least, and this 5 could hold. That's why I have this 5 here. Since we had a continuation here, and then this low book high. Then we have another support here on the lower time frame, of course. The book is high, so that 5 could hold. Just buy the dip, then we 5K. Yeah, buying the dip on gold is nice now, but anyway, session.
Oh, very nice.
And looking at this previous 4 hour, could not even break and close above the previous candle. See how the 4 hour closes. 32 minutes.
Best trading day? I like to hear it. Today's been very easy. No one should be red. It's like just buy it, buy the dip, and then man, it just kept flying. Everyone should be very happy.
I strongly believe it's going to come down session. I here came down, went back up, couldn't break it, and it pretty much stopped out the sellers, went back up, came down again. I believe this time it's going to fall. Just not willing to take it right now. For us, take this third time. It's got a more confirmation here.
Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute for NYSC.
Yep. No sales, all buys. Yeah. We'll see if we're gonna break and close above this time. Yeah, aligns with our time frames. It's set 44 hour as of right now. Set 44 hour, right? Anyone saying buys in the chat, you're not completely wrong. But I'm expecting a pullback from this 30-minute supply. If you know, you know. These are the type of setups that you will take buys and then you get clapped and you'll be wondering what the hell happened. Foolish though. I shouldn't lose. Foolish. No. Hello. Attention. I'm waiting patiently. Buys and waiting patiently. Sells. As of right now, sell. That's what I see. Short-term sales, not long-term sales, because we're not breaking low. Going to fall. I just need you to give me what I need. Just we can fall and then falling when you're not taking any look. Chill for a minute. I thought you don't trade Asia on Sundays.
No, I still do sometimes. I spent the weekend like just going over like my trades for the past like several, I think like 4 months or something like that, and I've noticed like when I trade like in the very first like 15 minutes, if I catch a trade, that's like almost a guaranteed win. It's like as the day goes on, my trading like gets worse. So it's like I just trade the first like hour of every session, and if I get something, I fucking smash it out. Then that's it. I'm done.
Oh, nice. What do I think about buys you took from the previous low of 5-minute demand? Oh, I see 2 5-minute demand here, and 1 here. This rejection here came from the 15-minute demand. That's what we rejected here. So which 5-minute demand are you talking about, Trader E? I only see 2 that I can personally use. Best range as of right now.
Yeah, you gotta be more specific than that. Gotta give like the price. The price.
Oh, you can't give the price because I think it trades. I don't think it trades
Oh.
futures.
Oh, okay.
The demand that made the high. Oh, so the demand high. So he's talking about this one. He's talking about this one. Demand high. Okay. Honestly, I have taken, because if price is at the high, especially after I saw this, I will be waiting for it to break before this range here. I wouldn't have taken any. I would be expecting it to come down low. But hey, looks like it's out. So if I traded London, yep, I wouldn't have taken anything. And we need to tell below the way at how we had a low 5 minute low somewhere around on the 5. Start crossing here. I will take this out. Wait and wait and wait until it gives something I want. Only 1 hour there of these highs.
Close your eyes and buy.
Yes, sir.
Buy everything. Go to the 1 minute chart and buy every red candle.
You'd make money today doing that.
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
You've been testing 3-touch trendline break, 141 trades, 87% win rate, 1-to-1 RR. Have you had data on this? I guarantee you that that is so inaccurate because you're probably testing it on gold and only recently when gold's been absolutely rocketing. Now, if you were to test this trendline theory, like maybe during the gold 6-month consolidation period, you'd not get that kind of result.
We tested previous 3 months.
Previous 3 months. Because 87%, man, that's too high. That's too high.
I dare you to test that from January to June, and then see what you get. It won't be that. It won't be 87%.
Try that today and let us know the result.
But you know, if you believe in that result and it's 87% over 140 trades, which is significant enough, then you should just trade it.
Three touches only. That's a complete trend line.
Don't worry, I'm not hating on you or whatever. I'm just telling you what I think. You wanted to know what we think, and I gave you my opinion. I think that's inaccurate because 87% is way too high. Same as Tory, man. Man, let's no, don't talk about Tory.
Man, Wall got his heart broken.
Yeah, I thought that trendline trader was for real. Apparently not. Just
Man,
another one of them scams.
And
he was seduced.
don't like Tory anymore.
Fuck no. Come on, man. She's probably trading a fucking demo account or some shit. Fucking 40 contracts short on like platinum or some shit. Over $250,000 in drawdown over the course of like months. It's like, come on. Bullshit. Probably fucking would have triggered margin call on your account.
You're out another win. Congratulations. Hey man. Yes I did. Thank you. Hope you did too.
Oh, and don't worry, Trader E. Listen, if you got those results, you don't need to hear other people's opinions. You just need to trade it. Because I don't need anyone's opinions on what I do. Like, I know exactly what I do. I don't need anyone's opinions. I just trade it.
Yep, same
Amen.
thing as me. The way I traded 5 minutes now, just did some back testing on my own. And asked for nobody's opinion. I just started using it. You trade supply and demand. And so also another thing that we need to pay attention to is that the previous range that we're in look close above it on the lower time frame, and also the 1 hour, 4 hour has not closed yet. See if the 4 hour is going to close above, depending on how this current 4 hour closes in 14 minutes. And right now, this is the new range between London high 3860.7 and its low here at 3838.6. Still expecting this thing to give a deeper pullback, so we will see. I trade mitigated or mitigated on unmitigated,
You trade the OB or the breaker block?
I don't know what that is. Mitigated, unmitigated, I don't know what that is either. All I know is supply and resistance, access supply and resistance, support and resistance, supply and demand, pickup structure, minor lows, minor highs. So the simple shit. All this complicated stuff, I'm not into it. I'm careless.
I'm pretty sure that's just ICT.
Exactly, Ryan. You see how you just made it simple for everybody? Tapped and untapped. I mean, I do know about mitigated and unmitigated. I have heard it before, but no, you just kept it simple, and that's how trading should be. You don't need all that complicated. Yes. Oh no, Ryan, I'm not mad. I'm just saying my own opinion, the way I see things when it comes to trading. I just like to keep things simple. Keeping things simple is
Why I'm hating on Tori? Because apparently she a scammer, man. I've said it before, like I don't know, maybe last week. She got caught out. She posted like some trading history screenshot, thinking no one would notice because she probably doesn't even know. And then some lady, back tested her trades and found out, there was like a trade that she took which was 40 contracts short on like platinum or one of those metals over the course of like, a month or like I think it was like more than a month. And she went into over $250,000 of drawdown on a $500,000 account. And with futures, it requires heavy margin to hold trades overnight, which means you would get margin called. And then you're trading a trend line, but it's breaking highs and it continues to break highs. So you're lying that you're trading in the trend line because the trend line would be going up, not down. And then, she didn't even realize what the lady was calling her out for. She was like, there's something wrong with your trading history. And she's like, what? And then she had to make a whole YouTube video. And then, like, months later, she finally, oh, okay, let me address that. Which means it's probably not even a real account. It's probably bullshit.
so. When I saw that video, the only thing I did not agree was risk management on that. Plus, also, like you said, futures should have been margin called.
Yep. There's no way the futures broker is going to be like, okay, 40 contracts overnight and you're already like 250 plus thousand drawdown. Like, man, come on now.
I don't know if that's how she trades all the time, or if just a horrible mistake. But at the end of the day, could have been imagined how she didn't. I don't know. Could have been imagined cold.
Yep. And also, she didn't address it for a long time, even though that lady had to make a YouTube video to show the evidence. And, you know, if you don't address it immediately, I think you probably a scammer. It's kind of like the Don Vo situation where he, like, fucking blew everyone's money in a single trading day, like $1 million in a single trading day. And what'd he do? He vanished. See you later. Come back like 6 months later to address the situation. It's like, that's a scammer. All right.
And also another thing, as an influencer with huge following like that, it's not a good example to set. Because any new trader can see that video and be like, oh, okay, shit, I'm gonna trade like this too. And then they blow their money. And you're an influencer, pretty much a leader. People gotta say,
Yeah. But Don Vo can trade. No, he can't trade. Listen, that I can't remember what year it was, but that year he blew his account 3 times. In 1 year. He blew his account 3 times in 1 year, and then he did the Pam Mam account or whatever and blew that as well. Like, no, he can't trade. And if you think he can trade, you're wrong. What he can do is he can collect $100+ a month from his Signal subscription, and then he's got thousands of followers. So he's probably got a couple hundred people subscribed. So he's probably making like 10, 20, $30,000 a month off of signals. That's what he can do.
there you go, trader. He has bad risk management. Very bad. So, I think it was like 2, 3 years ago, I believe, when he started doing the, what was it called again? He gave it a name. When he started adding to positions.
Oh, yeah, pineapple shit.
Yeah, pineapples. When he started doing the pineapple thing, I'm like, okay, alright, he's doing too much now. That pineapple stuff, I didn't agree to it because adding to positions when you in drawdown makes no sense to me at all. And the whole time that he blew his account, that's the reason why he blew his account. Adding to positions. As he was going to draw down, he kept adding to the positions. And guess what? Price kept going the opposite way. The 3 times he blew his account, that was the reason why he blew it. And he kept doing it.
Yeah, he kept doing it. So no, he can't trade. He doesn't know how to trade. Also, the dude doesn't have a stop loss, all right? Like, he's the funniest cunt ever. He's like, all right, chat, if it gets to here, I'm going to manage my trade. It gets to his, like, 100 pips down. It's like, all right, I'm going to manage my trade. Add. Okay, if it gets to here, I'm going to manage. Add. Oh, liquidated.
Yep. like, for example, if let's say it takes a buy here, and right, and price keeps coming down, you might have one here. Like, okay, it keeps coming down. You had another position here, and then let's say this position here gets over here, and then it's just gonna close everything out. Like, what about this
For 10
position
pips.
over here? Like, what about this one here? That's bad risk management. But, I just like to say to each their own. You're never gonna catch me trading like that. adding to when I'm in the negative side of risk management. Oh yeah, his teachings are good. You can learn from him, but do not trade like him. You can learn the basic stuff like support and resistance and how to read the candles and all that. He can teach you. He can teach, but it's the way trades, especially his risk management, that would not advise anyone to same exact thing. Anyone trade with Perfume, Top Step? Is that legit? Just trade with FTM. Yeah, Top Step is legit. I'm with Top Step and Top 1 futures. Oh yeah, yeah. Ego is the worst enemy in this market. And we all know as traders, and this is actually because we're human at the end of the day, sometimes our emotions will get the best of us. At the same time, we also need to learn how to control our emotions. Don't put that thing in check, man. This industry is not gonna do you.
Yep. I speak the truth. That's what I always do. Whether or not people like it, it doesn't matter.
Wait a minute. Top Step FX? What?
No,
FX?
no, don't do it.
I
Don't
didn't.
fucking do it.
Well,
Don't
I
you get
didn't.
scammed, you dumb bitch.
I didn't
Don't you
even.
do it.
I didn't even see the FX part. He said Top Step FX. When he said he said thank you, King. They have a good sale, buy one get three. I'm like, wait a minute now, buy one get three.
You lost
That's
21K in 3 years.
in just 21, man. In 3 years too.
Don't worry, man. The fact that you said that, I know that you trade for real.
Wait, who
Don't
said that?
worry.
Is that what Dugo that said that?
No, that's Trader E.
Oh yeah.
Listen, it's a hard journey, man. And you gotta be able to learn, adapt, and, accept, your mistakes to learn from them. And you ask a lot of questions, so I think you're good.
So this minor support that we possibly forming now could end up breaking this high. Or we could just tap this 5, all this supply again. We reject and we continue down. If we can tap this supply again, I'll look to short this from this support. For our barely close this. 3849.5. Okay, 5 minutes trying to do next. Pull it up. Oh wow, what did this pull it up?
Oh yeah.
Can I explain my strategy beside the supply and demand for in price action? Once it taps my. So first of all, I look at from 5 minute all the way to the daily when it comes to help my charts. Now, once I'm done with that, then I look for section, liquidity grabs, pickup structure from the 5 all the way to the 4 hour. It comes to all that. Now, once I'm done with that, then I start paying attention to supply and demand zones from the 5 all the way up to the 4 hour time frame, and then I focus on the 5 as far as my setups and my entry. That's pretty much it. You know, you guys have heard me multiple times talk about how I do not like how the 4 hour trading just right now closed above 3849.4. So now if we have a closure above the 5, strong closure above 3860.7, then I'll be willing to look for buys at that. Guess what? If we come down now and we start breaking pretty much just a closure above 3840, closure above 3848.6 should continue down. Now to the sell side, we will have a minor breakup structure at that point. And in this range, we are just going to be left with this major low to be taken out to have a closure of the major low of this range. Right now, we do not. Minor low is going to be continuation to break London highs. And we're going to reject it again. And we'll close it. in it. Yeah, sales can work also, and we continue. Yes. Fellas are super active at this level. It's not looking like it anymore now.
No, the the tape is flooded with green. Lots of big buyers, lots of medium-sized buyers, a few medium-sized sellers, and a lot of like one lot sellers, which is retail.
Yeah, they took over. See what happens above London highs. Stop it.
Oh, bunch of sellers coming in now. Not doing too much, but a bunch of sellers coming in.
Order filled.
Alright, we are in this, guys. Hey,
Man, annoying. I got slip. 5 pips.
uh, Alright, got a big even point here. Gonna manage your trade from there. Got a 1-to-1 here, and going to be our final TP for 200 ticks. $1.6. Alright, that's our 50%. I don't know why this freaking. Okay. That's 50%, guys. Congratulations.
Yeah, beautiful. Now wait for the rest.
1-to-1.
Yeah, that's my 1-to-1 basically. Even though I got slip.
What's your 1-to-1?
Your break even is my 1-to-1.
Hold on, wait a minute. Where did you get
I
in?
wanted to use this one here, but I got slipped down here.
Oh,
5 pips.
oh, so your stop loss is probably what?
Yeah, around here 70 pips.
Oh, like tight stop loss anyway.
I mean, if she breaks it, she's probably be gone. I don't think she's coming back.
I agree. I think if it's already rejected like that and goes back up and breaks it again, it's
Yeah.
goner.
She probably gonna do this, and then she falls. So it's not gonna make the easy liquidity
What
grabs.
type of drawing is that? We don't need that drawing today.
Wow, she coming straight from me, I guess.
Raja Banks says gold moves in $5. Let me see. Let me see. There's
3860 is psychological. Just 3860.
What a great day.
3860.
Nah, I don't think it moves in $5.
3860 on Forex is up, yeah.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand and day.
That no button we can do is foolish candle has no value. Dark fight begin.
Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Well, please take
Okay,
over
guys,
from
thanks.
me. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick.
I say
Alright.
bye. I'm gonna say bye, King. Thank you, man. I'll see you tonight.
Oh, you're out? Alright. See you
Yeah,
tonight.
thanks. Bye, guys.
Welcome.
See you tonight. Bye, bye, bye.
Take care.
All right, bye.
Pi said something like beautiful, and then gold went back up. So you guys know what happened. This dude, he closed it. It went straight up.
Oh man, she stopped me out. Break evens. My
Oh,
honor, I
okay.
mean. Ah, we still make money. That's all good.
You put like a pending order there and got slipped?
Yeah. I put it here at the break of the berries, and
Yeah.
she filled me in here. But
Fucking
I still managed
Forex.
to get my 1-to-1.
Mm.
So all good. I mean, she's bullish, so didn't get stopped out is a happy thing as well.
Mm. Mm.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.
What's century? 52.9.
I got all this potential, this thing is killing me.
52.9 right there.
Because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me
Okay. We're gonna be looking at like a, what is this? It's almost like a quadruple top now, right? 1, 2, 3, possibly 4. Mm-mm. Buyers are strong. Now I will say, I am a little bit disappointed that's already flying to the high side. I was looking to buy it just a little bit lower at 44.0. but the market said no, we buy every dip. News 30-minute just opened. Okay.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer.
It's over. 15-minute closing. Hello, bullshit.
Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear.
Now, I will say, I really don't think it's gonna pull back very far. But damn, that was a pretty small pullback. I was expecting a little bit deeper. Not much, but a little bit. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste We are in, little consolidation range, so sell the high, buy the low until it breaks. Looks like it will probably break to the low side to pull back. What you doing, Edwin? Getting back in?
Nah, I'm done.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
What about
Which
Gideon?
sorry guys.
he's done as well. I think he took cells like earlier, like around here, and he TP here. His 1 to 2
Okay.
is around here, but he got stopped out.
Ah, okay.
I didn't take it because I was waiting for this retest, then take it here.
Mhm. That's good. Good discipline.
Could I
Yeah.
explain what my stop loss been with? So here, the stop loss here, I just needed it above the major high. Could have used 100, but decided to go with 120 instead. Um, I like giving my stop loss some, you know, just a little bit of breathing room above the highs in this case.
Oh, whoops. Let me get rid of that.
Hmm. Here's tomorrow. Only thing I don't like, right, as of right now, the failure to break this minor low. As of right now, see how affected these highs. Expecting this bearish move to that minor low. Close below it pretty much. Right now we just grabbed it.
Grab both sides.
Yeah, yep. I wouldn't say sellers are in control as of right now, especially the fact that it did not close below this minor low. Buyer stepped in again, so that does not look good. The sellers right now, because what are the sellers? Volume wise, you still see them as equal on lower pay or both. I take my partials? No. No, I did not. Nope, I did not. So what I do is I'll hold my position for at least 1 to 1, and then I'll let the final position to final tip. So the first TP, you guys will see, it's pretty much enough for me. That's for guys. These two is for me. And for anyone else who's holding. A previous 4-hour close, just expect a slightly deeper pullback. Potentially to this might not get 5-minute demand. We take a trade yet? Yeah, we took sales. Momentum too strong. Weak.
I don't know nothing about the dollar, but the bullish momentum is strong as heck. And I really don't like it that so many people look at the DXY, the dollar. I think it was just like last week, I was like checking out those Lorenzo's group, how they like to look at the dollar and shit. And then I was in a sell and DXY was like going down. I think yeah, DXY was going down and I'm selling gold and I'm like, well, in theory, I should lose this trade and I won that shit. It fucking dropped like 100 pips. And so did the DXY. We just went straight down with it. So I'm like, man, why? Why even bother looking at it?
I've said it multiple times before. I don't look at the dollar at all because gold is not a currency. I don't know why some traders still look at the dollar and compare it to gold. But hey, what they do. What can be dropping too.
Yeah.
Now sometimes they do the opposite, but it's not 100.
And then at that point, you might as well just be like, well, I can compare it to NAS. It's like, I guess sometimes they do the opposite
Yeah.
and sometimes they don't.
Got a chance of this thing falling if we keep rejecting here. Start breaking. Yes. Yes. 38.50.7. I'm anticipating an engulfing in whatever direction. Once we have an engulfing candle closure, if this previous engulfing candle, this is an engulfing candle because it broke the previous candle low, just did not break the minor support. If it did, we would continue to the downside here. Oh, so we need more sellers to get in here. So,
Edwin, get in there. Sell that thing.
this one is not enough.
To be honest, I'm tempted to take another one.
You see?
One is not enough.
Yeah, this is
Enough.
basically
Believe.
my setup.
We need Ryan's money. Ryan. Come on, Ryan. 100 lots. Sell.
Margin call.
If you trade futures, put 200 contracts on that sell. Uh-oh, Ryan must have done it.
Good job, good job.
Trader E. Follow Ryan. Since Ryan did 200, you do 500. Let's go to the bottom of... Needed. You know what? Gold need two things from me, right? I need to go to the restroom. Smoke. Then it's going to fall. So I'm gonna do. Well, you charge.
Okay.
Got my earphones on, so I still hear you. I'll be right back, YouTube. See what happens with this trade.
BTC been moving nice. BTC. Let's see BTC. Oh shit. Damn, it's flying. Okay. Man, it's still in the 100K range, eh? That's so crazy. DXY, what you doing? Hmm. DXY, that's kind of interesting. He might be getting ready to do a reversal to the upside. Hmm. Cool. On the higher time frame, that is. What's happening with gold? Nothing. No volume. To the same low? Yeah, it should. It's ranging. You play the range, but you know. Playing the range when the market's that crazy bullish, you know, it's extra dangerous. Damn, volume's very low right now. Prices slip and sliding all over the place on low volume. Dangerous. It's pushing up pretty fast right now, but it's more due to the fact that there's no orders on the book. It's like pushing up very easily with not much volume. Which is interesting. Because man, that might mean that they're just like no one willing to put sell orders in anymore. So it's like it could just fucking rip. Yeah. At this point, yeah, this is a 50-50 trade. Definitely. Yeah, you could. That's what makes it so hard to trade this kind of thing. Range is hard to trade. Well, tight ranges, that is. Barcoding. Oh man, Edwin, you remember how Friday New York session I told you to just sell it and just hope that it goes down? Man, that you said it was a bad, terrible advice. It worked. Perfect.
Man, she stopped me up first before falling. That's the worst part.
Oh, you took it? You took a sell?
Yeah, I took the sales. I was waiting for it. It's like the most conservative entry, basically. Break off the candle lows, and then
Huh?
she freaking break the highs twice. So it took me out.
Oh, let me see.
Man,
It
I was so
didn't break the
pissed.
highs on futures.
Yeah. It didn't break like the whole weeks, but I never used like the whole weeks. I just used the candle that rejects usually, the high of it.
Oh, I see where,
Yeah,
yeah.
so I didn't survive the spike even with like a breathing room stop loss.
Mhm. Oh. And then your entry was below all the wicks?
Yeah, I want to
Yeah.
be like just to make sure like there's a sellers, but
Yeah.
man, the moment he trigger me in straight up,
Mm. See, I like when I said, sell it in the like the line that I drew, which was like kind of like a little bit above the 50% of the candles, the middle of the
yeah,
range. The reason I was saying that is because you kind of have the start, the possibility of that pattern emerging. So if you sell it
yeah, yeah,
there,
yeah,
you know what I mean? Then you have the stop loss there. You have a easy risk to reward. It's like already you're like, can go break even like before it even hits the low.
yeah. At
But
first at first I wanted to use the 5 minutes, like she already give me like a bullish closure, rejected,
mhm,
but
mhm,
I wasn't sure, so I waited for the more conservative ones. Basically, break of the 15, I think, 15
yeah.
support. And but the moment she trigger me in, she just flips. I'm like,
But
I already thought like, it's over.
to be honest, it was like like to sell it was the high risk play because it was so bullish.
Yeah, yeah, but man, the setup was so good. She retested the five supply again nicely.
Mm,
At first, I didn't want to take it, but when I look at it, man, this should fall. I mean,
shit.
she did fall eventually, but after taking me out,
Oh, it's so late in the day when it fell. My God.
yeah,
That's one thing. Like on Fridays, like I said it before, it's like on Fridays, if you're like up, you should probably just call it because you don't want to take a loss or go into the weekend red because it fucks with your head, right? Like over the
uh,
weekend, you're not gonna feel good.
totally. Like even this Monday Asian morning, I saw the buys coming, but I didn't take it. I just don't feel like trading. After
Ah,
I look at the Friday trades, like, God damn it,
damn,
straight 1 to 2, man. It's crazy.
damn.
Oh,
Yeah, I just went for the stop losses and then came straight
yeah,
down.
twice too, actually, just to make sure everyone's dead. I still can't believe gold doesn't fall after breaking that bullish low. I guess there's no volume at the moment.
Hmm. Trader E says, "Let's pray to Jesus." I'm gonna tell you right now, Jesus ain't gonna save you.
Anyway. Oh, ah,
You gotta pray to Satan right now to bring this thing down. You pray to Jesus, he's gonna send it to the moon.
anybody? If this breaks the highs, huh, that one.
Yeah. I don't know about that one either. Let's say it breaks the highs, right? What happens if it does this?
Yeah, that's probably what you're gonna do.
But it could grab the highs and then freaking fall. It is freaking that crazy sometimes.
It is. And it looks like it's coming straight for it. At this rate, there's no way it doesn't wick out these highs. Let me check the DXY real quick, guys. Man, it ain't doing shit. It's going sideways.
That's just gotta be on for this week.
Oh yeah, there's NFP this week, this Friday.
Hell, oh, Abby, supposed. This move looks so fake by now, but see what happens. It's king. Currently looking good. Not see how this candle closes though. I don't know. This move is supported. Like of those trees. Keep running. Be back. Couldn't you earlier? Now. I'll be back.
Man, I didn't even realize my mic was off this whole fucking time. God damn it. Shit. God damn it. I got in on a sell there on that top wick candle there. And then I said, TP1 will be here at these lows, then break even. Now targeting 49.0 and below. 49.0 should be somewhere around here. There's like a gap. There's a gap in there that market will no doubt fill. How low it goes from there, who knows? Edwin, did you get this trade?
Nah, I'm just chilling, waiting for
Oh,
king.
okay.
Although this looks like a nice sales now that she failed to close above here
Yeah.
because of this.
Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. Get down to 49 at least. Shit, man. Can't believe my mic was off the whole fucking time. I was talking to myself. Shit. So here we go. We got a range here. Failure to, get that failed breakout. Failed breakout. Pulls back into the range. Gets back up to the high of the range. Enter sell. And then looking to take out obvious targets, these lows, and so on and so on. Get back to the bottom of the range and possibly break. All right. Sellers are still waiting somehow. I don't even think it's sellers. I think it's just, there's no more buyers to extend price higher. So now you just have profit taking, right? It's like, okay, you have probably retail traders trying to, buy the breakout. And then it's like, okay, well, retail traders can't hold the price up. So it just falls back in. And then retail traders will exit, pushing price below these lows. And then, it's just chopping up here. So I'd assume that New York session's just gonna do this. And then Asian session, you probably look for like a grab, like fake out the lows and then look to take it higher again. Or maybe deeper, take it higher again. Also, whenever you're like trading like all-time highs, I don't believe in supply anymore because there's no way like a institution, bank or whatever is building a short position onto the market. So, therefore being a supply. It's more like, well, they're so heavily long that they need to take profit. Therefore, they just close out their longs, which, pulls the market down. Because there's definitely not an excess supply of gold. There's definitely an excess of demand for gold. That would be 100 pip. Hopefully. Now, I will say, it's like, if I was in this particular trade, my stop loss would not even be a single pip higher than this candle. I'd have it right there. Right there. There should be zero reason it gets back up there, even close to there. And sure as hell it should not break there. It should, stay within the range that's fallen back inside of. Man, it's getting late. Ah, yep, yeah. That's also a good idea sometimes, yeah. It's like if you get like a strong candle closure above the range yet again, you can just bail. I'm surprised it's not dropping after taking out those lows. They're still trying to hold it, which is insane. Oh man, he's gonna stop me out. My runner is not gonna make it. Oh, here we go. Oh, come on. Push down, man. Oh my god, 1 pip. 1 pip. 55.8. Stay below. Nah, it's gonna get me. Oh, wait, it didn't film yet. Okay, that's the great thing about futures. You don't get stopped out until it fills your order. You can touch your stop loss, but it doesn't matter unless it fills it. What the fuck, trade of 8? Why'd you freeze? Oh, okay, it filled it. All right, I'm out. Man, trade rate froze as soon as it filled my order. What the fuck? Trade rate? What's wrong with you, son?
Yeah, this was got all these restrictions. So, but still is going.
Man, New
Alright,
York session.
What are you gonna say?
Oh, I said New York session. This is always shitty price action nowadays. Gonna call it?
Yep. So YouTube, I'm just gonna let this thread do its thing. I will see you guys again tomorrow, same time. God bless. Join the free Discord. In the description. See you guys tomorrow. I'm out. So I will see you guys later tonight for your session.
All right, thanks,
Thanks, Ed.
Ken.
Alright guys, see you guys later.